Hello students, so welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Today we are going to discuss about stress and nurse. Yes, very good. See, nursing is a profession where it has got a lot of stress, and the nurses they are experiencing stress in their each day of life. Every day in their work duration or even in their personal life, they are experiencing stress. So we will discuss now how nurse can cope with the stress what she or he is experiencing. First is learn to balance your life. So as a nurse when you work in a hospital or any other department, it's very important that you must know to balance your life. Don't mix your personal and professional life and make a salad here. So you should know to balance your work, job, profession, play, family, social relationship, friends. So you need to spend time for everyone so that you will get that peace of mind. You will get the pleasure of your life. Then do a regular exercise. At least daily 130 minutes. Keep a time for yourself to do certain physical exercise like yoga, dancing, some kind of walking. So that will help you to get right over your physical tension. Your body, your muscles get relaxed when you do all these kind of activities. Do meditation. Now this meditation will help you to get a mental relaxation so that you are able to think wisely, you are able to focus, you are able to pay an attention, you are able to think in a like creative manner so that you are able to solve the problem which happens in your personal or professional career. Then plan your work. Don't keep any pending work for tomorrow. Who knows whether that tomorrow is there or not there. So always you do your work which is assigned for you. If your 6 hour duty you're doing, you try to finish all the duty which you're supposed to do in that 6 hours. Don't keep anything pending for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow you may be trapped with some new problem, new duties where you're not able to finish today's activities. So this is one of the important thing that you do your work. And always keep yourself positive. It's very important that you will keep your mind in the positive side. Definitely when you work you may find a lot of negative comments, criticisms, you may not get success all the time, but in that case definitely mind will get negative thoughts. In that case you speak with your friends, ventilate your feelings, and if required you can take a help from any counselors, yeah, any person who is senior to you or who can really guide and help you. There is nothing harm in meeting any counselor or taking help from others. It will definitely help you out. Then very important, your personal life. You should have a good quality of personal life, because when there is no peace at home definitely there will not be a peace in your mind. So this mental peace will be peace. In that case you cannot perform well. So always have a good quality of life. You should have a fruitful family life. You should spend time, you should spend some time with your family like parents, brother, sister, husband, children, anyone. So you should have that quality of time. Make your life more beautiful. So this family will be a backbone of yours so that you are able to face any kind of stress what you get in your professional life. Develop a realistic goal in your life. Sometimes this you yourself keep a high morale, high goals which you are not able to achieve, then definitely that will make you to experience a great failure. And failure is definitely expected, but that failure intensity will be more in your mind. So always you set a realistic goal which based on your capacity. Look at your calibers and look at yourself, your strength and weakness, and according that you set a goal, your task which you can complete. That will be a great work. And develop a trustworthy nurse patient relationship, therapeutic relationship. See, when you work with the patient you may come across 101 patient and you cannot develop any a close intimate relationship with anyone. Your relationship is purely therapeutic, so that you are treating a patient, so whatever happens to them, you are the responsible person, but you cannot take it so personal. So you are doing your best for your patient, and you will be a therapeutic nurse when you under this program. Then always you should develop thoughts, or thoughts should repeatedly run in your mind, like I can do that, I will do that, I get a success if I think I can perform. So always you boost yourself with such statement, so mentally you will always fall for the situation. If we think we can, see, definitely nurse will work in a team, so you will have a good team relationship, and you should motivate the team by saying that words. Always repeat these words repeatedly, so that you feel much more support and relax. And relationship, it is very important that you will have a good relation among your team members, so that your teamwork will be easy. In case if you have any kind of disturbed feelings or negative feelings, it's always better that you open up with your team members and speak, so that you can clarify the misunderstanding what you're having. So because of misunderstanding, that may lead to a lot kind of stress where you're not able to handle. So it's always better you open up, you speak up, and also be accountable. If you have done any mistake, you be ready to accept that and correct your mistake. Always be ready to say sorry, so that you will solve that problem. Okay, so these all are the ways how nurse can cope with the problem. Because nursing profession is really difficult, you have to work 24 into 7, you should be with the patient, and you may come across a different kind of patient with different mentalities, and along with the family members. Even 4 patients got admitted with the same diagnosis, all the 4 will not have a same mentality, and all the 4 patients family members, they again will have some other kind of attitude and behavior. So you need to accept them, adjust yourself according to that situation, and you have to work, so that you are able to cope with all kind of stress what arise in your duty time. So this is all about nurse and stress and nurse, where nurse can cope. Please keep reading, keep watching, and we can study some more topic in for the future classes. So I'll see you in the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you all.